Hello and welcome to WAPS TV, TV to die for from Will and Probate Services. My name's Nick Ash and today I'm going to talk about do-it-yourself LPAs. If you go onto the internet you will find that there is a government website that allows you to make your own lasting power of attorney. Seems easy, seems free. What you should consider are the traps that lie within a homemade document. In the same way as it's never advisable to make your own will, unless your circumstances are very, very simple, it's hardly ever advisable to make your own lasting power of attorney. A lasting power of attorney for property and financial affairs gives somebody else the keys to your property and the keys to your bank account. You need to make sure that the person you choose is the right person. You need to make sure that other family members are informed. You also need to make sure that you have a certificate provider. A certificate provider is a professional person who, at the time of you making the lasting power of attorney, states that you understand the power of attorney. Nobody is forcing you or coercing you into doing it, and that you have the capacity to make the decision that you're making. So whilst filling in the document on the government website is free, you'll often find that if you have to go to your doctor or another caregiver to make the certificate provision on your behalf, you'll be paying a fee at that point. And that can often be equivalent to the fee you would have paid to have the document drawn professionally in any case. For a health and welfare power of attorney, you're potentially handing over the power to somebody to make life-sustaining treatment decisions on your behalf. Again, this should never be done lightly, and it should be never done on a whim on the internet. The same provisions for certificate provider apply, so again you'll probably end up paying a fee for certificate provision. Can you make your own lasting power of attorney? Can you do it yourself? Yes, you can. But the real question is, why would you risk it? Thanks for watching. Hopefully that was useful for you. If you want to find out more about what we do or more information about this video, you'll find it on our website. You can follow us across all the normal social media platforms. Please get in touch.